Hi, my name is Dr. Ibrahim Haro, and I am standing here in our practice in-house shoe store. And I would like to take advantage of that and answer one of the most common questions that a lot of my patients ask. And that is, how can I know that a shoe that I buy in a shoe store is a good shoe? And I would like to show you a few tips. I'm going to give you 3 tips on what to look for when you buy a shoe. When you buy a shoe in the store, the shoe has to have 3 features. Number 1, the shoe has to be sturdy at the center of the shoe. So for example, if we take this shoe and I try to twist it, as you can see, it's kind of hard to twist. And that is a good thing because you want stability in the center of your foot. That versus the wrong shoe, which if you take it and just twist it, as you can see, it is too flimsy and soft. So this shoe is not going to give any stability to your foot. That's number 1. Number 2, the second feature that you want to look for in a shoe is that when you bend the shoe, it has to bend in the area where your toes bend. So for example, if I take this sneaker and bend it, as you can see, it bends in the area where your toes bend. And that's the way it should be, versus the wrong shoe. If you take it and bend it, as you can see, it bends in the center of the foot where your foot is supposed to be stable. The last feature that you would like to look for when you buy a good shoe is you want some kind of an arch support on the inside of the shoe. So in this shoe, for example, if I pull the insole out, you're gonna notice that the insole has a nice arch support in it that will give your foot the stability and the arch that it needs. Versus a shoe like this, if you look on the inside, it has barely any support on the inside. It's very flat. So again, 3 features that you want to look for. Number 1, you want stability in the center of the shoe. You want the shoe to bend where your toes bend, and you want an arch support on the inside. One last point, we are in the summer as I'm shooting this video, so I would like to give you a tip on sandals. Sandals can come like this in the shoe stores, very flat and very soft and hardly any support. A sandal like this, if you take it and walk in it for a long time, I am sure the next day you will stand up with your feet hurting you a great deal. When you buy a sandal or slip-on like this, you want, again, to look for the same features. You want a slipper like this, that is stable, that bends in the right place, and has a good arch support in it to support your foot. If you follow these 3 simple steps, I am sure you'll be successful in finding a good shoe that you can walk and enjoy without worrying about your feet hurting you at the end of the day. Thank you.